Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how do I find my first video idea? My name is Stephanie Obi and I'm the author of the Amazon selling book, Knowledge is the New Gold. When you want to start monetizing your knowledge online, you have to build authority. And how do you build authority? You create content. So nobody's going to come to you if they're not sure that you know what you're saying. Like, everybody wants to know if you know your onion, if you actually have expertise in this thing you're saying that you want to teach them. That now means that the first thing you should do is to start creating relevant content. But I find that so many people are stuck because they don't know what content to create. So I'm going to share with you 5 questions you should ask yourself that will get your idea juices rolling. The first thing you should do before you start brainstorming is to pick your niche. What is your topic? What is your area of expertise? A lot of people like to talk about everything, but please believe me when I say this, if you talk about everything, you will be a jack of all trades and not a solution to a specific problem. And if your name does not come up when people think about the problem, that means that you not yet hit it. You haven't hit it. If you're creating content on a specific topic over and over and over again, when people have a problem, they'll think about you and they'll come to you and ask for a solution. But if you don't pick a topic that you want to be known for, if you don't become a subject matter expert, nobody's going to remember you. You'll be doing so much work, hitting your head, running, but it's not gaining, you won't be gaining traction because nobody thinks of you when they have a problem. And that's the problem. So first thing, pick a niche. And when I mean niche, I actually just mean a topic. Pick a topic that you want to be known for. Now let's go to the ideas part. And to make this easy for you, I'm going to give an example. So let's say the topic you picked was baking. You want to become known as the baking expert. You want to be able to create an online course on baking, and you want people to know you as the go-to person for baking. So here are some questions you should ask yourself when it's now time to start creating videos. Number 1, what question do people always ask you? So for example, since your topic is baking, I'm guessing a question that they always ask you is, how do you make a chocolate cake to taste like this? How do you make a velvet cake to taste like this? How do you make cookies? That's probably a question that they ask you. This can be a possible topic that you can create video content on. Write it down. Number 2 question is to ask yourself, what painful experience have you overcome? In this your topic, what painful experience have you overcome? So let's say once again, you are a baker. I imagine that a painful experience for any baker is to make a cake, go and deliver it, and then the cake falls down. So your video content can be how to stop your cake from falling down. Or you can make a cake and it's not dry. Or I'm not really a baker, but I'm just imagining that you can make a cake and it's not dry, like the inside is meke or poto. So you can create a video on how to stop your cake from being poto or meke or whatever you guys call it. Just think about the painful experiences that other bakers are equally going through, and then you create content that will stop them from actually experiencing that thing. Number 3, what exciting goal have you achieved? So if you're a baker, once again, ask yourself, what exciting goal have you achieved? So let's say you have started a cake business from home. That's an exciting goal, and you can create a video about it. How I started my cake business from home. Other people who are trying to start their own cake businesses will want to hear about how you're doing it, and they will watch your video. Or it can be how I started my cake business while I still had a 9-to-5. How I left my 9-to-5 to fully focus on my cake business. Do you see how you'll be creating relevant content for a potential audience who wants to learn from you? Because you are creating content that is hitting the nail on the head. Like, this is the thing that I'm struggling with, and they come on your platform and they see you talking about it, they will start to see you as a solution provider. They'll start to see you as an expert. They'll start to see you as somebody who knows her onions and who they can connect with and who they can relate with emotionally and who has answers. So that when you eventually create a product for sale, they've already built trust in you and it was like, this person understands what I'm going through and she can help me to get a solution, and they'll pay you for it. Number 4, what tools you use. What tools you know how to use very well. So once again, we are focusing on your niche. Even if you know so many other things, but for the sake of building thought leadership or becoming a subject matter expert, you focus on your topic. What tool do you know how to use very well? So let's go back to our example. So let's say you're a baker. A video idea you should have is 5 tools I use in baking cakes. 5 tools I use in decorating my cakes. 5 tools I use to help me run my cake business. Do you see? Just focus on your niche and think about what tools people who are going through the same journey would also need, and you share it. Number 5, think about what exclusive information you have. And yes, I know that you might want to hold your knowledge to your chest and not give anybody, but please let me tell you something. If you've been doing this thing for a long time, there's so much you know, and if you share 1 or 2 exclusive information, there's still so much more. There's still so much more, just that you don't even realize that this thing you know is gold. So there's always more. So don't be afraid to give out free tips. So let's think about it. What exclusive information do you have? If you're a baker, a possible example can be, what special ingredient do you use to bake your cake, to make it taste a particular way, or how to paint Nutella on your cake, or how to do this glazing thing. Like, just something you know that not a lot of people know. Share it. Don't be afraid to give out your best tips for free. If you share good content consistently, you're going to build a large audience. People are going to trust you, and it'll be easy for them to pay for your product once you create it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will encourage you to do this exercise. Pick your own niche and ask yourself these 5 questions. This is just a starting point to help you to start thinking about video content, but do it. Do it. Brainstorm, write your video content, and then shoot that video. Post it. Post it. Don't wait for it to be perfect. If I show you my first video, if I show you the first video that I created it with BlackBerry, my BlackBerry phone. That time BlackBerry we used to use. I created it with my BlackBerry phone and I just put it out there. And of course, with time you will grow, you'll get better, you'll refine, you know. But don't look at somebody who has been in business for 5 years and compare them with yourself. Start with where you are. Just post your first video and start getting the word out there. If you're not sure about what your niche is, you're still struggling with that because you know so much or you can't think about what to pick, I have a free workbook for you. It's called Pick Your Online Course Topic Workbook. It's a part of my online course starter pack. So when you get the online course starter pack, that's one of the guides you will get in the pack. To get it, go to my website www.stephanieobi.com. You will see a place to enter your name and email address, and if you do that, I will send you the online course starter pack straight to your inbox. So go there now and do it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell your friends about this channel, and I hope to keep creating more interesting videos for you. Thank you so much for watching and seeing.